Good morning, students. Today, little bit revision about elimination reaction, that is beta elimination. This carbon from which hydrogen is attached known as alpha carbon. Now there are two beta. Nearest neighbor are known as beta. Then compound will react with alcoholic KOH. Elimination will occur. First option, this hydrogen. Okay. So when this hydrogen will remove, the compound will be CH3, CH2, CH2, CH double bond CH2. Now, instead of this hydrogen, if this hydrogen will be removed, then the compound will be CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH single bond CH3. Now here which one is more stable? As I told you, the more substituted alkene is more stable. For this purpose, see the double bond. From this double bond, two substitution are here. One and another one. This one second substitution. This is first substitution. This one is second substitution. The second way, two hydrogen are remaining over the double bond. So if lesser number of hydrogen or more substitution, then it will be treated as major product. Now compare this major product with another cat. Here around the double bond you will see three hydrogen. More number of hydrogen means lesser number of substitution. Only one substitution. Bigger group, a smaller group it does not matter, but only one substitution. It means this one is minor product. If you are a master that you can count hydrogen, then 3 hydrogen, more number of hydrogen as compared to this hydrogen, this compound, only 2 hydrogen. So, lesser number of hydrogen, major substance, more number of substitution, major substance. Now, some more reactions. Reaction with magnesium. Magnesium when treated with Rx plus Mg in presence of dry ether, there will be formation of Grignard reagents. Here the purpose of taking dry ether, that if this RMGX is taken in a aqueous form, means with water, then water in the reaction vessel react and alkane will form. Because active hydrogen containing compound like H2O, like ammonia, like ROH, these all will react with RMGX and there will be formation of RH. RH means alkane. So, if moisture or such type of compounds will be there during the reaction, then the compound will be alkene. So, here dry ether, inert reagent is taken as well as it is taken in the dry condition. So, here RMGX is the compound. Later we will read various reaction of RMGX. Reaction with sodium, well known is reaction for you, that Rx plus sodium plus Rx. Now, please recall your memory. What reaction? You can say that Wood's reaction. So, there will be formation of RR and NaX. In the same manner, if we will go for some more reaction, like afterwards reaction, if I will go for one aromatic arene, I am taking, otherwise later we will do. So these are the reaction with MgX, Mg and sodium. Now our next heading, reaction with of C6H5 haloarenes. How the reaction will occur? The very first important point, resonating structure of chlorobenzene. Its lone pair will participate. There will be double bond with positive charge. Rest of the lone pair will remain as it is. This bond will remove negative charge. Again, this double bond Cl plus will remain as it is, and rotation of this negative charge. Now again, this negative bond will convert in bond, and this positive charge will remove. These all 5 reactions says that in these 3 resonating structures, Cl is partially double bonded with carbon. If partially double bonded with carbon, then suppose nucleophilic substitution, nucleophile will attack, there will be a trouble. It means for C6H5Cl the properties will be entirely different because of the presence of partial double bond character between carbon and chlorine. Easily nucleophilic substitution reaction cannot occur. This is the very first reason, that is partial double bond nature. Partial double bond. Next reason, this chlorobenzene. This carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. You can make double bond. Easily you know that chlorine attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom, whose electronegativity is higher as compared to this Rx. Halogen is attached with sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Then definitely sp3 carbon atom is less electronegative as compared to this carbon atom. So polarity of this bond will be lesser as polarity of this bond will be lesser as this is more electronegative. So polarity is the measurement by polarity is measured by dipole moment. So this bond will be less polar in nature. Definitely nucleophilic substitution will not occur in easy manner. So this one is second reason. Now the third reason, that during SN1 mechanism there will be formation of carb cation. After removal of this Cl, there will be formation of arenium ion, or you can say phenyl cation. This cation will not form because this is totally unstable. So these 3 reasons, along with 3 reasons, you know very well that for benzene ring above and below there is a electron cloud above the plane and below the plane. Please, from your 11th class memory, memorize it, that above the benzene ring and below the benzene ring electron cloud is there. So definitely the coming nucleophile will be repulsed. So due to that repulsion, these 5 reasons are sufficient to explain that these halogen cannot be removed easily by nucleophile. मीन्स ये बॉन्ड हटा करके आप जो बहुत जल्दी से फिनॉल बनाते हो एक्वस KOH डाल करके, that is not possible at all. Okay, all 5-10 reaction will not be here for arenes, that is exclusively for alkanes, not haloarenes. Now, how nucleophilic substitution reaction will take place then? So, only few nucleophilic substitution reaction nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarine. This chlorobenzene plus NaOH at very high pressure, 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure, there will be formation of sodium salt and after hydrolysis with HCl there will be formation of phenol. It means rather than aqueous KOH you cannot take only NaOH. 300 atmospheric pressure as well as very high temperature is needed. But this temperature can be lowered. How? For this purpose, if this chlorine is attached with 3 electron attracting group, minus I factor showing group, what will happen? They will extract the electron density of the ring. So easily nucleophile can attack. And this compound, if 3 electron minus I effect showing group, this NO2 group minus I effect showing group, it will attract the electron density and only warm water is sufficient to form nucleophilic substitution reaction OH. This is known as picric acid. So this is the effect of 3 nitro group, and especially the position of nitro group is taken as ortho and para position. Instead of 3 nitro group, only 1 nitro group is here. Then the reaction will not occur with warm water. For the reaction we will need 15% NaOH. For para position we will need 15% NaOH plus 443 Kelvin temperature and 1 atmospheric pressure. You will get the compound. In all, the summary of this thing, that there are 4-5 reactions where we are putting NO2 group at ortho position and para position. Then the conditions are becoming easier and easier because of the role of the substituted NO2 group. Now, this is about nucleophilic substitution reaction. So, now we will read something about electrophilic substitution reaction. You have studied in the last year, 11th standard, that above the benzene, below the benzene, there is electron density. Definitely, electrophilic group, electrophile will attack over the ring. Then, this Cl will remain as it is. This Cl will direct the coming group. As you know, that halogen group is orthopara directing. Suppose chlorination reaction you are doing. What will happen? All 5 reactions, that is your time to do without any help. You will get dichlorobenzene, para-dichlorobenzene as well as orthodichlorobenzene. Second reaction, suppose concentrated HNO3 in presence of concentrated H2SO4, then the compound nitro compound will enter NO2, and also as usual in all the compound para position will be taken as well. Now next is only concentrated H2SO4. Then the compound Cl as it is, SO3H, sulfonic acid, orthochlorosulfonic acid plus para-chlorosulfonic acid. Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is CH3Cl and anhydrous AlCl3. Here CH3COCl and anhydrous AlCl3. In the first reaction, you will get toluene, chlorotoluene, orthochlorotoluene plus para-chlorotoluene. In the last reaction, you will get Cl group as it is, here COCH3. The compound is, what will be the name of compound? Orthochloro. Then acetophenone. Please learn here para-chloroacetophenone. Okay, so these all 5 reactions your turn to do by own. So chloro group is deactivating group, but ortho para directing group. And deactivating group. Why deactivating group? Because of halogen's electronegativity. It is highly electronegative, so it will attract the electron density of ring and make the ring deactivate. Now next in the row is some more reaction apart from electrophilic substitution reaction. One is pitting reaction. Another is Wurtz pitting reaction. Wurtz pitting reaction, you will take one Rx plus Na, and instead of one Rx, suppose you are taking benzene ring and halogen, there will be formation of again your Wurtz reaction, just like Wurtz reaction. NaX will remove and to the ring you will get R. The scientist fitting also done so the name Wurtz fitting reaction. Otherwise, instead of one Rx, we are taking aromatic ring. Haloalkane and Rx. In the presence of sodium, it will react and there will be formation of haloalkane. Toluene's method, a very good method to prepare toluene. Now, fitting reaction, there is no need to take Rx, only scientist fitting has done. Wow. You will take chlorobenzene plus twice Na plus one more chlorobenzene, and there will be formation of one benzene ring and another benzene ring, diphenyl. The compound name is diphenyl. Twice NaCl will remove. Here also twice Na and halogen will remove. So these are some more reaction. Now our next topic about is some important compound of haloalkane. The very first compound, that is chloroform. This chloroform is used as anesthesia, used in anesthesia during the operation. Now it is banned. What will happen when chloroform treated with oxygen? There will be formation of phosgene. Okay, and this phosphogene's formula is COCl2 plus HCl. This is known as phosgene. This phosgene gas is having fouling smell, or you can say unpleasant or pleasant smell. You are smelling and smelling, and unconsciousness will occur. That is the reason that CHCl3 is stored in your brown colored bottle, not stored in transparent bottle, to prevent that sunlight. ये होती है आपकी रिएक्शन एयर एंड लाइट. सो लाइट नहीं मिले, फॉर दैट पर्पज डार्क कलर बॉटल में फिल की एंड जस्ट टिल द नेक. नेक आपके बॉटल की ये गई. देन टिल द नेक it is filled nearly till the rim of neck so that no oxygen will enter. So storage of chloroform becomes important. It is very useful laboratory reagent. In the laboratory also it is used and it is precaution. These are the precautions. So how to store this chloroform? Next compound is DDT. DDT's structure is para dichloro-diphenyl. For this purpose the compound you will write दो benzene ring लगाओ, one more benzene ring and para position पर आपका लगेगा क्लोरीन and यहाँ से ये बॉन्ड हटा कार्बन हाइड्रोजन and CH3. Full name is para dash dichloro-diphenyl. Para dash dichloro-diphenyl. Para dash dichloro-diphenyl trichloro. Here CCl3. Trichloroethane. First you will draw ethane, then definitely easily you can draw this structure. So this one is DDT. Is a very good insecticide. Still at low scale it is used. At high scale it is harmful. So it is less used nowadays. Okay. So next one is carbon tetrachloride. Very good laboratory reagent. Today your chapter is over, but your study I think that is not completed. Please, the previous year, yesterday's video is also uploaded to YouTube. Please do study. I will give assignment today. By tomorrow, the assignment is small assignment I will give. That should be completed. Next chapter we are going to start, that is alcohol. Just बड़ा भाई of RH. Definitely दोनों ब्रदर एक साथ में पढ़ोगे. Then you will understand more. And more assignment will be prepared than only. Today I give a small assignment. Thank you.